Tired of paying $20 per month for VO3 just to get 10 videos? And want to create videos like this for free? Watch this.
Today's video I will tell you VO3 without credit. How can you use unlimited without any limit, without any card? There will be no limit. There will be no daily limit. Forget daily. There will be no monthly limit. Let's start with that. First of all, you have to write to boost your Google Cloud skills. After writing, first you have to come to the web. After coming to the web, you will click on the start button. It is better to sign in with Google here. Otherwise, you can create your account from here by adding your account and clicking on I am not a robot. After creating the account, we will have to accept their terms of service, where you write your date of birth and accept it by clicking I am not a robot. After this, you will get a page like this. In this, you have to search and write generative AI. I have to give generative AI after writing it. See here, after writing generative AI, you will get 45 minutes of generative AI with Vertex AI prompt design. You have to click, and after clicking on Start Lab, you have to click on I'm not a robot, and you will not be a robot. Right-click, copy link address in private tab, open in tab so that no one... Sometimes with accounts it does up and down. It has to be pasted here. Paste it. After that you have to do it. I understand, and here only one person who accepts will come, and he will accept it on his own. I have to do it. Let's wait a bit. It has come. I have to accept it. You have to agree and continue. Do not tick this below. It is not a masala. Okay, now from here, if I show you, you can't do it from here. If you go there, they had given a very good option. See this, but here, this will not be generated now because there are some issues going on here. If I show you, 1 minute, sorry, if I don't show you here, it won't generate right now. With google.com, so in private tab where you paste this link. Did this in the same tab. See this? This went. This same account came. Don't know what the student did. There is nothing logged in my tab. So I will come here in the starting video, and here I will go to Blink video. After doing go to it, I will come to uploads. After I come in, okay, now look, let me show you this here in VO3 sometimes. If the audio does not come, then I would suggest that you start with that, but you do it. You can. I don't get it. Maybe other people get it. The audio is still there. This is being generated while I tell you the method of unlimited again. You can click here. So you can make 20 videos, make limited 20 videos and export them. Then when you're finished, you have to cross this out. Come here and stop this tab. After stopping, you have to pause it. That is, first of all, you have to stop it. No cost. After that, you will again click on green button. After ending, you will again click on start. Then copy the link there, then open the incognito tab and paste your link here. If it has to be done, then it is like this, then I hope you have understood the rest of the work. No, I used to work from here earlier, then some issues started coming up here, then they were like, once that is fixed, it will start working here as well, while we wait. Let's do this in this generation. Until then, let me tell you about the fruit also. I made 2-3 videos on this, and if you haven't seen them, you can watch them. Yes. Creating an account involved using a card and some other things, but it is not special. Rather, this voice also went. See, it's perfect. I want to make you listen to it. See this? So this is how you have to do it. It is very simple. Inshallah, in the next video, till the time you say yours, Allah Hafiz.